here, and we are 6 weeks old, and it is tubby time. So, 6 weeks old, we do our bath video. I've already been washing him once before, but we want to make sure when we bath them that we use a puppy shampoo, and it's this just makes sure that it's soothing and it's not going to dry out their coat. We want to make sure that we don't get any water in their ears, and just try to make it a good experience for them. Yeah. Our groomer was just here doing big dogs this morning. We have a mobile groomer that comes to us, so it's really nice. So, but yeah, everybody is doing great in their playpen. They actually had their vaccinations this morning with Dr. Bridget and their health checkup. Everybody checked out good. No heart murmurs. Everybody had a good bite. So those are just a couple of the things that Dr. Bridget makes sure that everybody's healthy before they're ready to go home. So, all right. Everybody's been doing so good. Yeah, is everybody gonna get me wet? Yeah. Everybody's so wet. Woo. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. All right, everybody is doing good. I'm gonna get everybody rinsed and dried off. We're getting all clean, ready for our new families. So next week we'll do our final videos. These guys, I can't believe they're so old already. We'll see you guys next week. All right, everybody is done with their bath. Yeah, we're gonna add some fresh, clean beds back in. Yeah, everybody is all fresh and clean. Weenie Mae, Souffle, what are y'all doing? Cleaning the litter box now that we're all clean. Puppies. So cute, getting so big.